Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look. This is definitely something I wanted to pull out for the fall time. It's a little bit deeper, smokier, not my normal everyday glam that I love to do. But I also wanted to incorporate the cherry cola lip combo. I've been seeing this all over social media and I think that it is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial.
Yeah. Put I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. Get a nigga wet, don't lose type shit. Sippin', drinkin', actin' on screw type shit. Just sad hoe, running through a crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Thee Young's by the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off on just usually dudes type shit. Pockets wrapped up, all blue type shit. Bunch of rich niggas, hoes get confused type shit. Atlanta nigga, live like Ted Turner type shit. On camera, knocking jaws loose type shit. I cancel her, hit her out of school type shit. A silent hitter, I just keep cool with you bitches. A solid nigga, count dog food type shit. Moving through the city with your boo type shit. She ready to suck it up like soup type shit. You going against the guys and you gon' lose type shit. Pray to God and knock you out your shoe type shit.
She gripping all on my balls, I ain't got a new type shit. Told me they cover my flaws, I ain't got the brand new type shit. Turn around, jump with the brush, I'm like, I got one is ass and teeth, I ain't got no type shit. But sippin' on drink, blur up, sippin' on drink, made up. Sit right here in my type shit. Might put some dollars in my glass, whoa, on my mind shit. What the fuck y'all talking about bodies for? Y'all just type shit.
The earth shouldn't today, our promise will not fade. I would find a peace of mind, I would drown within your lies. There's no way this dies. Girl, you're all that I need. Girl, you're all that I see. You give me that special feeling when I'm with you. You give me that special feeling when I'm with you. There's more than in between the eyes and what they see. You stole me like a thief, and your soul gives me pleasure. Let me plant the seed to show you what I mean. Let's build a legacy, you and I forever. You give me all that I need. Girl, you're all that I see. You mean so very much to me. This is true love, must be. Give me that special
love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You leaving got no effect, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now. She ain't tryna settle down when you ain't got your shit together, no. She in Florida, baby, and she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You leaving got no effect, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now. She ain't tryna settle down when you ain't got your shit together, no. She in Florida, baby, and she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You leaving got no effect, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now. She ain't tryna settle down when you ain't got your shit together, no.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I finally I gave you all you needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made it mess up your mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I'm stroking your power, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it in me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I prayed for this moment. I would be by your side. And I don't wanna forget those lonely nights. Ooh, so tell me that you gon' ride with me. Tell me that you never lie to me. I just wanna make you proud of me. Want you loving every side of me.
Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I'm absolutely loving the cherry cola lip. Hopefully you guys like it as well. And yeah, I'm feeling this. I love the vibe of it. My natural lashes look so good with the mascara. And I definitely want to do some more vampy looks for the fall and winter time. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.